Where did you learn to speak so beautifully?
In Jamaica, of course. Fun fact about Jamaica is our first language is English, but we do have a very established second language, which is a dialect called Patois.
Hi guys, welcome back to Brian Reaction once again. So guys, if you're coming across this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and sharing. To my new subscribers, welcome on board. Now, thank you for always coming back, and watching my videos. Thank you so much for the support. So guys, in today's video is all about the Patois language. Now, the white people have shocked the world because by speaking fluent Patois language, many people thought that Patois language is just spoken by the black people in Jamaica, but they are surprised even the whites can speak the Patois language fluently. So Patois language, we all know it's a language invented in Jamaica. It's a Jamaican language originally from Jamaica, and it has been trending across the world. People have been speaking this language, people have been singing using this language. So I want you to watch this video of white people speaking fluent Patois language and trying to tell the world why this language is so beautiful and sweet to speak. And I'll be back with a few comments.
And Patois is really just a mashup of many different languages that came from slavery and colonialism. So it has elements of West African Twi, Irish, British, Spanish, Portuguese, all mashed up into this dialect. So that's fun fact number one. Fun fact number two is it is not a documented language. There is nowhere where we have it written down in the history books. There is no dictionary where you can look up the meaning of words or know how to spell words. It's not taught in schools. So it's a very informal language that you learn as you grow up and you begin to communicate with your family. You go to school, you go in the workplace. It's really just this organic, natural second language that every Jamaican and every Jamaican living overseas knows how to speak. And we understand it and we understand each other, which I think is so cool and interesting that you can have almost like this secret language that only people from Jamaica really know how to speak and understand it. Now, certainly we're not the only island who has a dialect. Many other Caribbean islands have a dialect as well because of their own history with slavery and colonialism. If you think about Haiti with French Creole, you think about St. Lucia with French Creole as well as many other islands have their own kinds of dialects. The third fun fact is at one point in time, our local university, the University of the West Indies, tried to make a case to have the language documented. They wanted to formalize it as a language, have it documented, have the word standardized, have it taught in schools. But unfortunately, that never materialized, which may be good or bad. It maintains the mystery of it and just how unique it is. And so as it stands today, it is still an informal, undocumented language that the masses of Jamaica can speak. I'm speaking standard English right now, and that is, as I said, our first language. But if I ever go back in a very informal social setting, I go back down in my Patois right this. So I go right back in it and I can switch from Patois to English just as easily as I can switch back and forth. So what I just said is I can easily switch between English and Patois and back. It just depends on the setting that I am in. And so when many people meet me and I tell them I'm Jamaican, they don't readily recognize that I am, even though I think my accent is very distinct. I'm very proud of it. I never try to cover it up or hide it. But I think they think all Jamaicans just speak this dialect that nobody can understand. And I will say too, the ability to really switch easily between English and Patois is a function of education and kind of how, you have been raised, depending on your family background, etc. So you will find that people who may have grown up in communities that primarily speak Patois will speak it all the time and may not have as easy a time really switching to standard English and back to Patois. Education, people who have really kind of pursued education or higher levels of education may have the propensity to switch easily between both languages. So the next time you're in Jamaica, I am going to leave you some common phrases in Patois in my caption. Go ahead and save this video and favorite it and study those phrases, because when next you go to Jamaica, that's all you'll hear people speaking in the streets. And I am going to hook you up so you can at least carry out a very basic conversation with Jamaica in a patois. One love. Toodles.
Good afternoon, people. Loving, beautiful Jamaicans, visitors, Jamaicans all over the world, people all over the world. Blessed love, one love. Midaya, Frenchman's Cove. And make I tell you something. Weather I come in, it's cold, but when you go into the water, it's warmer than out yasso. Yeah, man. So me just go in, force myself. As a Canadian, me just couldn't left this beautiful paradise, Frenchman's Cove, without a swim. So me go play in the waves and jump, and oh, it was fun, fun, fun. Beautiful. So whatever y'all do today, make sure, say, you take time, or no, take time for something fun for yourself. So love up yourself. Blessed love. One love from Portland, Jamaica.
I'm going to try to say some of the Jamaican patois from this list, and Siobhan is off camera and he's going to correct me and help my pronunciation. So hopefully it's not horrible. Okay, what are you doing here? Why ya do ya?
Yeah, why ya do ya?
Why ya do ya? It is mine. Afimi.
That's good.
Okay. Where are you going? Where you are go?
Yeah.
Wait, really? Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Why did you call me? Why you call me for?
Say it again?
Why you call me for?
Yeah.
Hey. Come back here. Come back, yasso. Come back, yasso.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look here. Look ya.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey. See me here. See me ya.
See me, yeah.
See me ya. Look at this. Look upon this.
Well, you got that.
I don't have the accent.
Pause it.
Okay, we're gonna keep going. My mother, mi mara.
Mi mara.
Mi mara.
There you go.
My father, mi fara.
Yeah.
My grandfather, mi grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandpa. My girlfriend, mi girlfriend.
Yeah.
It is my child. Me pick me.
Good, you got it.
Me pick me. On my pick me.
I'm a pitney.
Me pick me.
I'm a pitney.
Me pick me.
There you go.
The children, the pick me them.
The picnic then, yeah.
Pick me them. He got himself dirty. Him nasty up himself. Him nasty up himself.
Yeah.
Okay. What a pretty girl. What a way the gal pretty.
The gal.
What a way the gal pretty.
The gal pretty.
Gal pretty.
Yeah.
Gal pretty. Okay. Can I have some of that? Give me some of that.
Okay. Good.
Let's go over there. Mek we go over deso.
Over this.
Over deso.
Make we go over this.
Mek we go over deso.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that? A what at?
There you go.
That one was good. That one felt good. There he is. Siem day. Siem day.
Seam there.
Siem day.
Yeah.
Siem day. Siem day.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Książka szybciutko.
Mam.
Masz? To daj.
Nie mam.
Nie masz?
Nie.
To dawaj ten ryż z tej buzi. Oddawaj go.
Mommy, give me money. I want all.
Okay, here you go. All the money.
O. Dziękuję. Dziękuję.
And I'm going to ask it in a way that is, are you sick of people saying that it's cultural appropriation? Or do you understand where people are
I understand.
coming from?
Yeah,
but
no,
also, I understand where you're coming from as well. And I feel like a lot of people understand.
I think this is the kind of like, even the last thing I would actually like say about it. I'm not doing these interviews no more. I'm not doing all that no more. I completely understand, especially from a black person's, perspective. I fully understand it and I fully appreciate it, and I just wanna love the culture. Like I just like, for me, the only thing that I don't like is like even to be like the whole like you're white, you're white, you're white, you're white. Like can't I just be a dancehall artist?
Yeah.
Can't I just be a reggae artist?
Yeah.
Like, don't matter who I am. Like some people, they like it, and some people don't like it. And for the people that don't like it,
a lot of people don't know or don't believe that there are white Jamaicans. So today I'm going to show you. What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. We come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. With a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love a curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more I think about it, I love goat belly soup. And my mother used to make hog foot, but since I live abroad, I don't get that no more. I love any kind of Jamaican food.
What's your favorite thing about Jamaica?
My favorite thing about Jamaica is the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people are the warmest, kind-hearted people in the whole world. You can meet anybody on the street, just chat to them, and they talk to you. They don't really care who you are, where you come from, what you look like. And well, I know everything in Jamaica nice. I miss Jamaica, because I used to live there, and I live there no more, but I love Jamaica.
Who's your favorite reggae artist?
Well, my favorite reggae artist from a long time ago, Yellow Man. I remember Yellow Man when he was big in the 80s when we used to live. Nobody, no reggae artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. Once he go up on the stage, he mix it up with all in lyrics and in different styles. Blueberry Hill, Zungo Zungo Zungo, whatever that one they call me, can't even pronounce it.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, I don't know, because enough people watch this video and then probably wonder why may I put this on the internet. Well, my daughter born in Jamaica too, and she always bother me because she on the internet all the time, and I don't know, say she don't believe that enough people believe say white people come from Jamaica. The Jamaican motto is out of many, one people. So you got all different kind of people in Jamaica, and I'm just an example of, I guess, one of them.
So now we're going to get my dad to pronounce some words. So Dad, can you say the first one on this list?
Woven.
Okay, how about the second one?
Water.
Okay, how about the third one?
Character.
Okay, what about the fourth one?
Pronunciation varies.
Yep. And Dad, what is this?
Cutex.
Okay, now what color is it?
Orange. What's wrong with you? You don't know your color? Don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Take care.
That sounds like English. Here's my Jamaican Chinese grandma. We're saying words in Canadian English accent and then in Patois. The first one, mother.
Mother.
What's going on?
Where go on?
Yeah, what go on? Quarter, like a quarter.
Oh, quarter.
Yeah. Little.
Little.
No,
Like
you don't say it like that.
little.
You don't
Like
say it like
little.
that. You say it with a K.
That me.
Yeah, you always say little.
Little.
Okay. Battery.
Battery.
Water.
Water. Me now go down there.
Me not go down there.
Me now, but you say fast. Me now go down there.
Think.
Think. I was tutored by a British lady.
You do sound British sometimes.
Yes, yeah.
Where are you going?
Where you going?
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Brother.
Brother. But I know they would say brother.
Dirty.
Dirty. I've lived here longer than I've lived in Jamaica.
Alright, you passed the test. Miss
I
Jamaica.
passed.
More time we see people on TikTok or whatever social media and then white and they speak Patois. And when I say, what? They know Patois very well. So a while ago I see this little white guy walk past me and he speaks Patois. Okay, 19-year-old young man walking by me. We're in Boston. And I was like, did he just speak Patois? So I said, wait, are you Jamaican?
Yeah,
Are you
log on.
So where in Jamaica do you live?
Kingston, like Jackson, Kingston 6.
Where were you born?
St. Andrew Hospital.
My goodness. Where? Where is St. Andrew Hospital? Jamaica, right?
Yeah, Kingston.
Man. Kingston. And where do you go to school?
American school.
Yeah. Give a little patois, man. Give a little patois.
Yeah, so we're there in our airport, both of Scotland, thing live, and you know how it go.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Bye, auntie. Bye, uncle. Take care. Safe flight.
The funniest thing I've ever seen is white dudes that speak in patois. Funniest shit. Funniest shit ever. I love it. I love it so much. When I was working at a golf course like 2 summers ago, and it was like a rich ass golf course. There's members, like it's a membership club only. Dude, I literally thought I was getting fucking trolled by a grandpa because him and his wife were born in Kingston, Jamaica, and they had heavy Jamaican accents, but they were just like some white people. And remember, I go up to their table, like serve them, and the dude just starts speaking to me with a Jamaican accent. And in my head, I'm like, I'm getting fucked with right now. Like, there's a grandpa that's just trolling the fuck out of me. And I was so down for it. I was actually like, this is hilarious. And then I go tell my manager, I'm like, this dude's fucking with me. He's speaking in a Jamaican accent. He's like, no, he's actually from Kingston. And I was like, oh, kind of like threw it away. But dude, I'm not even kidding. Like, white dudes are like, true say me gangsta and shit. So funny.
When it comes to like patois,
Yeah.
obviously like you can speak it, correct? Mm-hmm. So do you just speak it like with close members, like family or whatever?
No, it's not even that complicated, to be honest with you, brother. All right, watch I know. Because it's all right. I was born in England.
Yeah.
I'm an Englishman. Yeah. I can talk in patois. I love Jamaica. I love the culture. That's what I do. I've grown into a person now that is a white Englishman that can speak in patois.
Yeah.
He knows the culture very well and loves the culture.
Yeah.
So it's just really simple. It's like if you're English, me I talk in I'm just gonna talk to you in English. why am I gonna talk in patois to an Englishman?
Yeah.
That doesn't make no sense.
Yeah, okay.
You're not gonna register me, I say. You understand me? I say, but if you're a Jamaican, I say, well, I'm a general, why pre, I'm there, I'm a father, man, everything good, man, you see? Yeah, I just simple thing, bro. As soon as I land in Jamaica, I don't say a word of English.
All right, can you teach me some patois then?
Yeah.
Like, this like the basics. Like, obviously, I know the what a guan.
What a guan.
What a guan.
All right, so we can say the more new slang would be why pre.
Why pre?
Why pre, my father?
Why pre, my father?
That is it.
Come on, my brother.
All right, I teach you the nudge. So you have to, when you nudge, you have to put your thumb out.
Okay.
All right, and then you have to just, you have to like click it like all right, like, that is it.
Okay.
That is it.
That is it, my brother. Come on, man.
Okay, I love when Jamaicans call out lies because the patois is just so expressive. Like when they, that's about. Anyways, I love when they say liar tell or just liar or just lie. Like I don't know, it just how it rolls off the tongue. I don't know, they're just so passionate with it. I don't know, I just love patois.
I'm not Jamaican myself, but there are some patois phrases that I think Jamaicans absolutely snapped on. Oh. Absolutely love it, right?
Like what?
You can't laugh at my accent, okay, Shen?
Okay.
Please. Must be mad.
Must be mad?
Yeah, because you must be.
Oh.
When they say it, I'm like, yeah, you actually must be mad. Like, is there something wrong? Is everything okay at home?
You must be mad.
You must be mad. I love it.
Must be mad.
And another one is must can.
Must can.
So it's like you must can. I hear it here, innit? So you must can be able to. Do you know what I mean?
You must can do this for yourself.
Absolutely. Because it's like must be able to is just too long.
Yeah.
So they
you
just
must do this to me.
Right there, sir.
Yeah.
It's like the Jamaican version of period.
Right there, sir.
So this one speaks to me as an African babe. I feel them business.
Yeah.
Our version is that's your own. That's their own.
For them business,
for them
cooler though. Sorry.
In Jamaica, I realised that's for them business.
Yeah.
I love it.
For them business, that.
For them business, that. This next one, I don't know how to actually put it into context.
Brother, I never know said this was going to be a whole thing. So, my mother is Honduran and Jamaican. My father is Chinese and Indian Jamaican. Me put the Chinese in my bio because it's what I look like. Everybody I got to identify me first as Chinese, not Jamaican. But when me identify to people and people hear me talk, them are gonna be like, oh, she's Jamaican. So there you go. So basically, yeah. And for the people who want be like, well, Jamaican people listen, brother, the amount of mix up people there Jamaica exhibit, hey, like, if somebody tell you say them Jamaican. Point blank, period.
Not being Jamaican has really hurt my feelings because I was told my skin tone makes me not Jamaican.
Every time James and I make TikToks, we just get like a bunch of people telling us that we're not Jamaican, which is fine. Like, you can have your own opinion. The only problem I have is, where else do I claim? I was born here.
No white girl from Jamaica talks like that, y'all. How do I know? Then him say him know few. But me and a them and a me. That are the thing. Me want to deliver patois anyhow me want to deliver. So if you not like me way of delivering the great patois, that's one of my problems. And of my problems that, you know, go somewhere where you satisfy yourself and your ears. Kind of my problem that. And of my problem that. Me no business.
I'm not saying that my great come on from the board. Come on from the board from block the foot. You know, my great grandfather is from England. Yeah. And we're not interested in going to England.
My game. They say that in the England thing. Burn up Babylon.
Yeah, England, them mad people. And your grandfather come from up there? Yeah. But in change up with the German them. But when you go to Canada, and you tell us say from Jamaica, they expect say a few black people, dark people come from Jamaica. It's a one set of pussies them, not true?
Yeah.
Yeah,
they never know the straight nose man there. Yeah.
And when this hard patch
50 here.
I'm going to be a joke.
Yeah.
My son, you know, up, live out Canada now. He go to college and everything up here and live over 5-6 years now up there. And he never can go down to Toronto. So then go to one club. Yeah. And then see some Jamaican. And they tell him, say, yo, I'm a Jamaican, yeah. He said, no, he imitate Jamaican. And they want to fight. They want to fight them. Want to fight my nephew and my son.
Wow.
Call him and start trick them.
If you know how your foundation in Jamaica, yeah.
And he start talking Patois now. He said, bomba clot, this man a Jamaican for true.
Mind game, them a mind game, man.
Yeah. He said, blood clot, this man a Jamaican for true.
Like I'm a renegade. Me don't know you kind of young to remember the show Renegade. Or you know it?
Yeah, welcome man.
Alright, me have one bike look like him. So that's something get in.
Okay.
You see that building out there, so? Right back right there, so me born. Me no born out on June. But me go a Canada.
So you see one time they call it Jesus, they don't say Jesus, they say Lord Jesus.
Don't know Baker said, Lord Jesus ain't coming. You think I joke? Everybody.
Where are the family?
Did you experience a lot of racism growing up white in Jamaica? Very minimal. But I do remember one very racist moment. I couldn't have been more than 6. A fellow classmate, a very young girl at the age of 6 as well, would sing to me, "Black is beauty, red is corruption. Black is beauty, red is corruption." Now that I'm 40, I realize how deep that actually went. To think that here is this young girl, and she's been taught by her parents to sing black is beauty and red is corruption. And that's also an important lesson to teach your children, because racism ends with you.
Salam alaikum, y'all. So, I don't know if you realize it, but there's been a bit of cuss over who is a Jamaican, who's not a Jamaican, what is a Jamaican. I just wanted to give the answer to that question. First things first, it seems that a lot of you never learn the difference between race, nationality, and ethnicity. That being said, it's very simple. Nationality is where you hold citizenship to, aka where you have a passport. The thing about a nationality is it's not stagnant. People are born in countries and leave those countries all the time, giving up one nationality for another. As it stands, I hold a Jamaican and US nationality. Tomorrow, I could easily become Italian British. Maybe not easily, but you know what I mean. Next is ethnicity. These are the cultural traditions, the language, the values that belong to a certain people group. Now, the thing about ethnicity is every ethnicity operates differently. For Jews, it's passed down matrilineally. So if your mother was Jewish, then you are Jewish. But for our Somali brothers and sisters, if your father is Somali, then you are Somali. Your ethnicity may also determine the languages you speak, the religions you practice, the cultural traditions you believe and hold dear. And then there's race, which out of the three holds very little weight. Because what might be considered black in one country is considered brown in the next and colored in another. Never forget that the Irish, the Italians, the Polish, when they came to the United States of America at various points in time, were not considered white, but today are. That being said, the island of Jamaica was first inhabited and settled by the indigenous people known as the Taino. They were the ones, after all, who gave the island the name Jamaica, meaning the land of wood and water. The island was then colonized by Spaniards from Spain, and with them came the Sephardic Jews from Portugal, as well as the first set of Africans that they would have enslaved. Shortly after, the British took control of the island and increased the amount of Africans being brought, but along with the British came the Welsh, the Scottish, and the Irish. By the time you hit 1838 and slavery is officially abolished, the British are now importing Chinese and Indians to Jamaica to replace the labor shortage. The first Indians arriving in 1845, the first Chinese arriving in 1854. And given that every generation is roughly 30 years, I think we can do the math to establish how many generations from the first people landed to now have been in this country. And of course, I cannot forget the Syrians who came to the island of Jamaica seeking refuge from the Ottoman Empire. Nor could I forget the poor Germans of Seaford Town that were brought to the island of Jamaica to buffer between the black and white populations. And although you won't hear the average Jamaican on the street using terms like African Jamaican, Asian Jamaican, you'll definitely hear him say words like the coolie man, the Chinese man, or the nigger man. I hope that clears everything up. Salam.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched the full clip. Now, there's no way somebody can be in Jamaica and don't speak Patois language. There is no way. Now, Patois language has been the most trending language across the world. People from the US are speaking this language. People from Africa are speaking this language. And you know, I'm wondering why somebody will wonder why a white Jamaica will speak this language. How can Jamaicans not speak this language? How can white Jamaicans not speak this language, and it's originally their language? So you have seen how they're speaking the fluent Patois language. It's originally from their country. There's a video I did about, you know, the Jamaicans. I think the white Jamaicans. The white Jamaicans, when they go across the world and they are white, people are wondering like, why are you not black? Are you from Jamaica? They were like, people are wondering why is it that they are from Jamaica and they are not white. Because, you know, the world, many people believe that Jamaica is a black country and many people from Jamaica are black. But they were shocked that we have white people in Jamaica. So we all know Jamaica is a mixed up country. We have Arabs in Jamaica, we have Chinese in Jamaica, Indians, we have the Europeans. Now, we also have our black people who are originally taken from here. So it's a mixed up country. So now here, people are wondering now, how is it that white people can also speak Patois language? Because they still think that because this language has most of, you know, African words, they think that it's only spoken by, you know, the black Jamaicans. But no, it is a common language. You've heard Jamaica has, you know, the first language is English, and now they have this Patois language. Now you have been seeing even the Chinese, and by the way, the Chinese have mastered this language. They can speak the Patois language fluently. You know, Chinese have stayed in Jamaica for so we have Chinese who have been even born in Jamaica. Some of them just, you know, went to Jamaica. So Chinese have also stayed in Jamaica for so long, and they have mastered this language 100%. So I'm wondering if they are wondering that the white Jamaicans can speak Patois. What if they meet the Chinese? Because Chinese who are in Jamaica, they are also speaking Patois language, and they love Patois language so much. So not just even the Jamaicans, the whole world is in love with Patois language. Now, in USA, you have been seeing people in USA trying to speak the Patois language. They just love the words, how the words are being pronounced. They just love this language. And one of the reasons why Patois language has been trending is because people love listening to reggae music. People like Bob Marley. These artists have made Patois language the most loved language across the world because people have been listening to Bob Marley, to reggae music. People have been following up reggae music. People are in love with reggae music. And people have also been practicing to sing reggae music. We have reggae musicians across the world and they are doing it in Patois language. They have mastered the Patois language and they just enjoy singing reggae music in Patois language, originally from Jamaica. Now, I saw a video somewhere or I read an article somewhere that, you know, there was they had to invent a Bible written in Patois language. I don't know why this Bible hasn't reached me yet. I think my Jamaican sisters and brothers, you need to find a way to make sure this Bible reaches me. The Bible written in Patois language. I want also to know, to see how those words are expressed in that Bible, you know. It seems so funny and so good. So I'd wish to, you know, to read the Bible written in Patois language. So my Jamaican sisters and brothers, you need to make sure that Bible reaches me because, you know, this language is so on fire. We have artists here in my country who are doing reggae music. They have done several reggae music and it is in Patois language and it is very fluent. I don't know how they mastered that. It is very fluent to an extent that you will think that these guys have stayed in Jamaica, but they're just here from Kenya. So I don't know how they learned that language. I'm always confused to how they learned that language. Maybe the Jamaicans here who taught them. But the Jamaicans, there's so many Jamaicans here in my country. Maybe they taught them that language, and many of them have been visiting my country. But they big up to Jamaicans, you know, you guys are always on top, showing love across the world. And here is your language always #1 trending across the world. Patois language is the #1 language trending, you know, across the world, spoken by everyone. At least when you go across the world, at least you must meet someone who knows Patois language. Someone who will try to speak like a true Jamaica. And he's not even in Jamaica, he's just in his country, but they have mastered this language. And these are the reasons why Jamaica, you know, is the most influential country across the world, because everyone wants to try Jamaica way of life. Everyone wants to be Jamaica, everyone wants to go to Jamaica, everyone wants to try anything from Jamaica, everyone wants to speak like Jamaicans, because now if they are practicing Patois language, that shows that they admire Jamaica culture so much. So thank you for watching this video, guys. In case you're coming across this video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. In the comment section, you can tell me what you think about the video, or you can also advise me on anything that you want me to bring in to you guys. So thank you for watching this video. Until my next video, one love.